Hello, this is Diana from Yarn Eddies here with a quick video to demonstrate how to make a tassel. Materials needed are a 12-inch by 5-inch piece of cardboard with a 4-inch by 2-inch window cut in the center, sharp scissors, clips, about 15 yards of yarn for one 6-inch tassel. I'm also using a few yards of white yarn to tie and wrap the tassel. Draw a line across the middle of the window to act as a guide when tying the head of the tassel. Next, wrap your yarn around the cardboard right in front of the window. Be careful not to wrap your yarn too tightly or too loosely. When I use worsted weight yarn, I wrap it about 15 to 20 times for a large tassel. The thickness of your tassel depends on the number of times you wrap and the weight of your yarn. Use the clip on one end of the cardboard to hold everything in place. Cut a piece of yarn about 25 inches long using the line guide. Tie around the center of your wrapped yarns. Check the back of the cardboard to make sure you caught all the pieces. Using the guide, double knot the yarn and pull tight. Next, remove the clip and using sharp scissors, cut the loops on both ends of the cardboard. Large, sharp sewing scissors work well. If the yarn you are using, tie the tassel, is the same color as the tassel yarns, consider clipping the tie yarns together to avoid confusion. Fold your yarns in half, forming the head of the tassel, and finger comb the yarns, making sure the lengths are straight and smooth. Now turn your cardboard on the side. Using the line guide, clip your tassel so the top or head of the tassel lines up with the top edge of the window. Cut another long length of yarn and using the lower edge of the window as a guide for where to tie the neck of the tassel. After tying the first knot, adjust any yarns as needed, then flip the tassel over and tie a second knot on the back and pull tightly. Remove your tassel from the cardboard and finger comb and adjust the yarns as needed. Next, wrap the yarns tightly around the neck of the tassel about 3 times. I like to use a large clip to hold the neck and head of the yarn tightly so that I can thread my yarn needle. After removing the clip, tighten up the yarns as needed before the next step. Run the needle under the yarns wrapped around the tassel neck and down through the center of the tassel. Give the yarns a tug and further straighten and smooth the tassel. Using your fingers as a ruler, trim your ends with sharp scissors. Now your tassel is ready to attach to your project. Thanks for watching this Yarn Eddies quick tip video. Please hit the like button and click on subscribe for more crochet quick tips.